60 years ago today, a blizzard blew into the province, burying Winnipeg and southern Manitoba. The snowstorm on March 4th, 1966 was one of the worst to hit Manitoba, lasting 20 hours and dropping 35.6 centimeters of snow. The blizzard brought with it 113 kilometer-an-hour winds. The Winnipeg airport reported having zero visibility for 14 hours. The storm shut down the city, leaving behind massive snowdrifts and 12 feet of snow in some areas. Bus service was canceled and people were told to stay home. But some of those who did venture out turned to using snowmobiles to navigate the streets. Former CKY DJ Chuck McCoy was on air when the snow started falling.
In those days, they didn't have the snow removal facilities and they didn't have accurate weather forecasting like they do today.
McCoy says one of the more unusual stories involving the blizzard was a gold bar heist at the Winnipeg airport. The flying bandit, Ken Leishman, and 4 accomplices stole an Air Canada truck with nearly $400,000 in gold on March 1st, 1966. Now, their intention was to leave Winnipeg in the days following, but that didn't happen thanks to the blizzard stopping traffic in its tracks. Soon after, police caught up to them.